Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be alerted to when I have new videos. Welcome to another episode of Mach Fishing. In this episode, I'll take you along with me on my final kayak crabbing trip for the year. Earlier in the week, the weather did not look favorable for crabbing, but as we got closer to the day, the weather massively improved. 2.5 miles per hour winds from that Eastern Shore location was great. So I would meet Teddy there in the morning to try our luck at our last crabbing mission.
It's 7:54 and I'm deploying my line, running about 1,200 feet. It was 52 degrees when I left the house, and it was about 54 degrees when I got to the ramp. The water is 65.2 degrees. It's dead calm, and so far so good. But I don't know where the crabs are, so I deployed out in a little over 13 feet of water. And Teddy's out here. He's about similar depth, so we'll see if we catch anything.
Okay, I got the line deployed, and Teddy got his deployed. Water's about 65.3. Hopefully it'll go up a little bit as it gets daylight. It's overcast today. It's not sunny like last time. And the winds are probably only about 2 miles an hour. So I'm going to go check on Teddy, and then I'm going to get ready to run the line. I'm going to let it soak for a little while, being that it's colder in the water. Alright, Teddy's out here, and he's deploying right now. Alright, Teddy's about to run his line for the first time. That's about 11 to 11.5 feet of water I think he's in. I'll run mine after him, after he starts his. Goes. Now he's ready. He got the line over his prop stick. He's now pedaling down the line, waiting for the chain.
Okay, I think, yeah, I'm starting off a little deeper than Teddy did. Not by much, but I'll see if it makes any difference. It's high tide right now, so this tide, as it goes out, it's going to get shallower. All right, let's see what we have here. Chain. Hopefully it's not too tight. Chain. far, nothing. Uh-oh, I think I see a crab. Got one at 13.7 feet. So far, nothing else. It's pretty slow. But if I can get 4 or 5 a run, at least 4 a run, I'd say, you know, I'll probably get enough crabs. I'll probably stop by 11 o'clock. Water temperature 65.3 to 65.5. Still 13 feet. Not much happening. I think I heard Teddy with one. Oh, there's one. Big monster. 13.2. Okay, that's 2. If I get 2 more, I've met my quota per run. I think there's another one. Okay, that's 3. 13.2 still. Okay. Need one more to make the quota. If I can do that per run. We'll be getting into shallower water, so we'll see if they prefer like 10 feet or 11 feet or something like that. This is the exact reason I brought the 1200 footer. The 1200 foot trout line. Or trot line, I should say. 12.8. There's one. That's the 4. All keepers, you don't need to measure them. Alright, so I got 4. Let's see if we can get a little more. I think here's another one. That's 12.5. Here's another one, 12.5. Got 6. That's exactly what I've been hoping for. This is the reason I bought the 1200 footer. Okay, 12.5 feet. 12.3. Nothing. So these are covering some depth. Am I near the end? No, I'm not. My line is either loose or something big is coming. Something big. That's 7. Who knows? There could be another one. Oh, okay, that's the chain. Alright, so we're on the second line now. And that's 12.5. So I've gotten 7 so far. Now, 1 crab on this one. It's in 11.9. Now, the first run's always the best. So we'll see how the other runs are. You got a jumper? I'm almost at the end. I have 7 right now, but The first run's always the best. After that, it's downhill. It stabilizes. Yep, you'll see. What depth was your best? Yeah, I'm looking for 2 to 3, somewhere in there. Because this is it. Unless you go to a different river. This second line, I'm not getting anything on this second line. Me, the first line was the best. Okay, here's one, I think. Yep, I got one. Finally. That's the first one on this line. That's the line that did better for me. The second line didn't do well. I only got one, like you just saw. But I let my line soak a little longer. I was videoing you while you were going. Ah, got one. All right, 2 on this line. 9. But we'll see how it goes on the next run. I'm gonna let it soak again. Baby. Well, that's probably it. Oh, I almost didn't see him. 10. Huh. So I got 10 on that line. That was in 10 feet of water. Teddy said the first half of his line was not good. He didn't get anything on that. It's the second half that did well, and he got 5 on his first run. Mine, for me, was my first half of the line that did well. I got 10 on my first run. There's one. There we go. Come on. 13.5 again. I think 12 to 13 seems to be, well, wow, there's another one. That's a mumbo. Okay, now I have 12 altogether, so I have a dozen. I do let my lines soak for about 5 minutes between runs. Just to give the crabs some chance to jump on the line since they're moving slower. On my last video, I had a lot of jumpers. Crabs that jumped off the line way ahead of me, so I couldn't catch them. And it turned out, I believe it was my camera mount that was freaking them out, because it was sticking out the side of my kayak, casting a shadow other than the shadow of the regular kayak. And I think that freaked them out. Once I moved it out of the way, I seem to have done better. And right now, if you noticed, I have it on the other side of my kayak. And I haven't experienced any jumpers yet. Teddy said he had 1 jumper. But I was getting them like on a regular 2 weeks ago. That was a little one, is it? Oh no, he's a keeper. 3. .9 feet of water. Another one. Four. And another one. Oh, did he jump? He didn't. Got him. Got him. You saw that? Five. Okay. Six. Six. Yeah. I got six so far. I got nothing on this line. Oh, that's a female. A little baby one. I'm letting mine soak a little bit, like for an extra 5 minutes before I go down the line. Because I know they're moving slower. The colder it gets, the slower they move. Yeah, this has a small female that you just saw. But so far, nothing on this one. At least last time I got two on this. I didn't get anything on it. But then it's also high tide. So it's getting slack. There's no current. So they'll shut down for a little while and then they'll pick up. I think they say you like 2 hours before the tide change and 2 hours after.
So when does the tide change?
Probably. What time is it?
9.
Maybe 10:30. About an hour and a half after high tide, it'll start moving. Right now it's going to be slack tide. Nothing. Oh, just saw fish right there. Nothing. Come on, give me at least one crab. Just one. Oh, coming to the chain. Yep.
Teddy was coming by to let me know that he would be leaving soon since crabbing hasn't been good today.
This is my third run. First run I got 10, second run I got 6. We'll see how much I get on this run. I let it soak for a little while again. So I'll see if it made a difference. Getting a little bit of chopped in the water here. Water temperature is still holding at 65.4, 65.3. It's bouncing back and forth. There's a chilly breeze blowing. And on this third run, only one crab so far. Okay, I got 2. Definitely this is the last trip of the year. On the kayak, that is. 3. Female. Small female too. Okay, only 3 on that run. Okay, this is run number 4. Might only do 6 runs and then I'll pull in. Teddy's pulling in now because the water is a little bit too choppy for him. But if I'm not getting any crabs, I'll be pulling in myself. Crabbing is definitely slow today. But water's holding around 65 degrees still. Well, I got that one lucky crab. So that puts me at an even 20 for the morning. I would love to get another dozen. And then that would pretty much be it for me. But we'll see if this thing picks up at all. Otherwise, I'll be doing like Teddy. Debating my line on the water and pulling it in. There's another one. It's two. After a nice long soak. Three. So I caught 3 in 13 feet of water here on this fourth run. And I'm in 12 feet now.
Notice as the crabs come up hanging on to the trout line, the water is cold enough so I can scoop them from underneath and they fall right into the basket.
Yep, so I think I got 22 crabs altogether now. So getting close to 2 dozen. 2 more. Fish jumping all over the place. Oh, 5. Okay, it'll stay. I'm not going to pull up this line. There's another one. 6. It's in 11 feet of water. Huh. Little guy. We're in the 10 feet of water. Seems like, I guess, 12 to 13. I imagine 14 should be even better if I could move the line, so it depends how I feel. That's a keeper. That's 7, I think. I should have 23. One more to make 24. And then I'll work on the next dozen and then I'll be done. It's not near my rudder. I try to keep it as far away as possible. I angle my kayak depending on the current. So that just makes it a little easier. Teddy has pulled up and he's almost ashore. So he's gonna pack it up and head home. I'm gonna be here for another 45 minutes and then I'm gonna pack it up. Hopefully I can get to 12 in that time frame. I was thinking of moving my line into deeper water, but I think I'll be too tired by the time I run down this a few times. Oh, here's a crab. There you go. Oh, no claws. See, they seem to be 13 feet. Yeah, between 12 and 13, somewhere in there. If I could have just pulled this out another 100 feet, I might be able to catch more crabs, but I don't think it's going to be worth it. It's going to be a lot of pulling, a lot of effort, but not a lot of benefit. It's just me and one boater out here. That's it. Yeah, the water is getting a little choppy, a little cold breeze coming through, so I'm going to go ahead and pull in the line. I'm going to do one more run. This is the last run. And I'll get whatever I can get, and that's it. I'll start pulling the line in. It's about 10:59 a.m. Okay, I went and changed my hat. I'm going to run down the line one last time so I can start pulling at the end of the line. Total count of crabs, maybe 32, maybe. Not 100% sure. I lost count. And it was starting to get choppy out there in the main body of water. It's calm back here in the cove. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it in. Nobody else out here. Just me. And the crabs.
Despite the slow crabbing today, a half a bushel is not a bad way to end the year 2021. Thanks for sticking with me. And now to go cook some crabs so my friend and I can enjoy some tasty crustaceans. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and until next time, be sure to check out my other videos.